The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing the video on the LG Q70 for Verizon Wireless. So this one's now available for the postpaid service. So if you guys have Verizon postpaid, the Q70 is now here. I'm sure that this one will move over to Verizon prepaid, but currently it's on postpaid for Verizon. It's available now for $10 a month for 24 months, or $349.99 for retail price. It's available in mirror black, and it also has 64 gigabytes of storage. So, not too bad. This is a better than smartphone. It does look very nice, and it looks like the many G phones this year. So, pretty cool. There you guys have your whole points here. You got front-facing camera, power button on the right side. I think this is a power button right here. It's kind of a great place to put it. Volume keys are here, and your Google Assistant key is right here on the right side of the phone. On the back of the LG Q70, you also have dual cameras, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Verizon logo, and LG logo. Here is the left side of the phone, like I mentioned, volume keys and your Google Assistant key right here on the left. The right side of the phone, it has a power button down here. And I think your micro SD card and your SIM cards are also on the right side of the phone as well, I think. So the LG Q70 is 22 days of standby time, 45.92 hours of usage time. There's a rear camera, so you have a 32 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera that went back. The Q70 is 3.2 inches in width and 6.38 inches in height. There. So meet the LG Q70. Enjoy your favorite movies, play the latest games, and capture professional looking photos effortlessly. This SIM is 6.4-inch Full HD Plus full vision display with punch hole design, gives you an expansive field of view to stream hit shows, view your favorite pics and more, capture all the important moments with dual rear cameras and auto sync optimization for the perfect shot every time. Visually, shop, search, scan, and more using the lens, and when you need to ask a quick question or perform device-specific task, the Google Assistant is here for you. It's there for you. A long-lasting battery, room for all the things you love, and a secure fingerprint sensor, and room for all the things you love, and a secure fingerprint sensor, and are packed into this sleek, water-resistant LG Q70. Do more of what you love with the LG Q70 and Verizon's America's Most Awarded Network. So this one is water resistant, so that's really cool. So you have a large bezel-free display for immersive viewing. Immerse yourself in all your favorite content on the large 6.4-inch Full HD Plus full vision display. A punch hole design creates an uninterrupted viewing area, so you can enjoy the latest binge-worthy shows on Hulu or get lost in the hottest games. Redefined design. With a premium design and military grade drop protection, this one is as sophisticated looking as it is tough. A rigid metal frame supports front and back glass panels that are dust, water, and shock resistance. So that is really nice. So this one is IP68 rated. It's also military spec, 810G as well. Dual rear cameras capture stunning pictures, capture all your important image in ultra high resolution with dual rear cameras. The LG Q70's rear 32 megapixel fast focus camera and 5 megapixel depth camera lets you snap high quality photos that look amazing. And for selfie lovers, the 16 megapixel front camera offers a bokeh effect that blurs the background for an artistic touch. Picture perfect with auto scan optimizer. The AI enabled rear camera recognizes up to 19 different scenes. Optimizer adjusts lighting, composition, and color for pro quality editing with every click. Lots of battery and storage for the digital enthusiast. The 4,000 mAh long-lasting battery with fast charging gives you all the power you need to make it through a busy day and well into the night. And with 64 GB of memory and up to 2 TB of expandable storage using a micro SD card, you'll have the room you need for the things you love. So that's really nice. Specs on this one are pretty decent for this mid-range smartphone. So the LG Q70 has 4G LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's also a rural device, which works in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. 20 days of standby time, 45.92 hours of usage time. You have dual rear cameras on back, a 32 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera on back, 16 megapixel front camera, so that's pretty good. The width of the phone is 3.02 inches. The phone is 6.96 ounces. The height of the Q70 is 6.38 inches. The depth is 0.32 inches. The screen is 6.4 inches Full HD. Processor is 2310 by 1080 full vision. That's 19.25 by 9.0 display. 4,000 mAh battery. Android 10. 64 GB of RAM. 4 GB of RAM, so not too bad. You will get about 42.95 gigabytes available to use. This is server rating, SAN network. Wi-Fi is 802.11 ABGN and AC, Google Assistant. We also have HD voice as well, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data, and enable Wi-Fi calling. You make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. And the processor on this Q70 smartphone is Snapdragon 615 octa-core processor there. So not too bad. Like I said, this is a mid-range smartphone, so do keep it in mind. The specs on here are pretty good. If you guys need help with your Verizon LG Q70 support, Verizon device support is here to help you with that. So as I said, Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is you get the LG Q70, pre-install SIM card, 4,000 mAh battery, travel adapter and USB cable, quick reference guide, part accepted and multi-booster, and SIM ejection pin. So do you guys have it? So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range LG phone on Verizon postpaid service, the LG Q70 is worth checking out. It's available now for $10,000 a month for 24 months or $349.99 for a retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, a voicemail, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in this one. Peace out.